What's the meaning of cashless? Cashless. Cashless.
Cashless. Cashless. Cashless refers to a system or situation where transactions are made without the use of physical cash, relying instead on digital payment methods such as credit or debit cards, mobile payments, or online transfers. The shift towards cashless transactions has been driven by advances in technology and offers benefits such as convenience, increased security, and greater financial transparency. However, it also raises concerns regarding privacy, access to technology, and the impact on vulnerable populations who may rely on cash. Overall, the trend towards cashless payments is likely to continue in the future.